McBlue diesel exhaust fluid is a synthetic urea liquid used for SCR systems in diesel engine vehicles with the sole purpose of reducing toxic gas emission called nitrogen oxide, or NOx. SCR systems were designed to help maintain the air quality by turning this toxic NOx into nitrogen and water vapor, harmless to the environment. In its usage, McBlue liquid is injected into the gas emission pipeline inside the vehicle exhaust, right before entering the SCR catalyst chamber. Here's what it looks like inside. The NOx sensor detected the NOx level inside the emission and sent a signal for the actuator located inside the system to calculate and arrange how much McBlue is needed to be injected. The McBlue pump helps push McBlue through the injector pipeline, from McBlue tank, then to the injector nozzle, where McBlue is injected inside the SCR catalyst chamber full of toxic emission. The chemical reaction inside the SCR catalyst chamber helps McBlue to break and convert the NOx into nitrogen and water, thus meeting the Euro 4, 5, and 6 gas emission standard. McBlue is so useful and has many benefits, not just for the environment, but also for SCR system-based diesel engine vehicles. First, helping the environment by reducing the main component of toxic pollution, the nitrogen oxide emission, to 90% decrease. Second, in many countries, it is necessary for any diesel engine vehicle to use the McBlue and follow the Euro standard regulation. It is also prohibited and backed by law in certain countries to change or alter the factory new diesel vehicle SCR that claims to meet the Euro standard regulation. The punishment could be severe and the vehicle's warranty void. Third, better engine performance for SCR vehicles since it helps engine combustion and in turn also helps reduce fuel consumption. Unlike the conventional diesel vehicle, the one with SCR has a greater positive impact for the environment because without SCR systems, NOx emission would be substantially high and harms the air quality that we breathe daily. With all the benefits comes the concern that commonly occurred, like NOx sensor damage, actuator and McBlue pump fail, also McBlue that need to be constantly refilled. Some illegally jumped and cut certain sensors inside the SCR. Some also use an emulator to trick the SCR into not needing the McBlue to run. But the easiest way sometimes comes with great cost. One of the costs is the temperature sensor inside the vehicle exhaust could be damaged because it plays a great part for controlling and monitoring the exhaust temp. The gas emission temperature data can be inaccurate, hence impacting the engine combustion system. The rise of gas emission temperature inside the exhaust can cause even more damage to other engine components. But the most important is the piling up of carbon deposits inside the SCR catalyst, because chemical reactions inside the SCR catalyst need temperature and emission flow at a certain level to effectively work.
When it is not working as intended, the carbon and debris inside can pile up and damage the SCR permanently. It can cause the user to replace the SCR part, which can be expensive since the alteration of the SCR sensor already voids the warranty.
Rather than go through all the cost of an illegally used McBlue emulator, maintaining and using the right McBlue liquid is more important and easier. We recommend choosing the McBlue or diesel exhaust fluid that meets the ISO 22411, where the urea level is 32.5%, ensuring the best performance while protecting the air quality and following the regulation.